Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do December monthly reading for Taurus at sign. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So Taurus, let's see your recent past. Who? But one card. Magician. Seven of Cups. Ace of Swords. So Taurus, you are in manifesting energy, the magician. Definitely what you are wishing and that is going to be granted in recent past. Definitely your wishes are fulfilled in recent past, the magician. And yeah, definitely you have a lot of options. For some you have a lot of options, for some you have some confusion what to choose, what not to choose. For some you have a lot of options, and for some you are in confusion while taking decision. Okay, and Ace of Swords, definitely some communication, truth communication between you and your person, and you may be expressing your feelings to your person. In past you express your feelings, and your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But you have everything. Definitely you manifested love and money, whatever. Definitely you manifested everything in recent past it is. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. I think for some you manifested your person back also, or you are trying to manifest them back in your life again. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Taurus. King of Swords. Sorry, two cards, but only I will take. Knight of Cups. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Yeah, someone is coming back to you. Someone want to express their feelings to you. Knight of Cups. And yeah, I think you are very honest, straightforwarded, and truth telling guy. Definitely the one person who always truth in this connection is you, Taurus. Definitely you are very straightforwarded and very honest. I think you want to give clarity to your person, definitely, because Ace of Swords in past and now King of Swords. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between you and your person, and that communication could be very truthful and honest. Yeah, someone really want to express their feelings to you, or you want to express your feelings to your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your favor right now. It's your time, Taurus. Things are turning in your favor. It's your good time, lucky time. So let's see some more. Nine of Swords. Seven of Swords. Ace of Cups. What is? I think for some, your person may be sneaky, playing games with you, or they lied to you or cheated on you. For some, your person could be. Because Nine of Swords with Seven of Swords. I think you maybe stand by your power, because King of Swords is here. Now your person feeling very sad if you are in separation, if you are not talking, because you are doing self-love. Yeah, you're doing self-love, and definitely your person right now feeling lot of love towards you. But this time is yours, because Wheel of Fortune is there. Definitely they want to express their feelings, they are coming back, but you stand by your power, you cut them off. But they very sneaky. For some, your person may be playing games with you. Be careful, because Seven of Swords here. Definitely they are in anxiety and depression. For some, either you feeling anxiety or depression, still you overcome this pain and you will become like this King of Swords energy. Yeah, but one person in this connection right now in this energy, it could be your person I'm getting. So let's see your person, a future actions and their current feelings towards you. Then we will get more clarity. First, we will see your person current feelings. Six of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Ten of Swords. Yeah, there is painful ending between both of you, and that could, your person may be thinking about that, and there are still disturbances between both of you. Five of Swords with Ten of Swords, and your person want to end those disputes between both of you, and they want rebirth in this connection, because now they want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, they're coming back to offer equal give and take, and they express their feelings to you, but it's up to you, Taurus, to give second chance or not. But definitely they want a new beginning with you, rebirth in this connection. They want rebirth in this connection. They want to offer equal give and take. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. Oh, 2 times Magician. Wheel of Fortune also 2 times. What's going? Four of Swords. They're manifesting you. Yeah. You are manifesting your life and your career, whatever. You have so many options, but your person also manifesting you back. They are also in Magician energy. And one more thing, in your person perception, definitely Seven of Swords is there, and the Magician. Definitely your person could be manipulator. Definitely they are playing mind games with you. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely they are waiting for their right time, and they are waiting for their turn. And Four of Swords, yes, they are not talking to you. For some, definitely they are undergoing some healing process. They are thinking about you a lot, and they are waiting for right time to come towards you. Yeah, they are manifesting you back. Definitely they want rebirth in this connection. They are coming back. Be careful if you are in third party, because your person may be sneaky also, because your person may be manipulator, because Seven of Swords is there. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Taurus. Lot of air energy is here. It could be you, or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Three of Cups. Ten of Cups. Lot of water energy. You, or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. See these two cards fell down. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, one person is undergoing spiritual awakening. I think it could be your person, because Four of Swords is there. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot. They are spiritually awakening. And your person could be Virgo also. Yeah, separation. Still you are in separation for some. I think Taurus, you stand by your power. Definitely you are busy in your career wise, and in another area of your life. Right now you are not concentrating on love, but your person is coming back to you, because Three of Cups with Ten of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation with you. Yeah, they want reconciliation. For some there will be reconciliation. For some it's up to you to give second chance or not. For some there will be reconciliation, definitely, because Three of Cups with Ten of Cups. See, reconciliation chances are very high for some. Okay, so your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Taurus, your overall energy for the month: Ace of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Page of Wands. Yeah, I think you will receive some messages from your person, and or you will send some message. This could be twin flame connection, 11 and 11, but you feel that connection, you feel that vibes, but still you are holding back your feelings, because you want to protect your emotions. You don't want to invest. And Ace of Pentacles, definitely for some you invest your energy in your career right now. Yeah, for some you want to offer this commitment to you after your person approached you. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Four of Pentacles, the Star, Chariot, and Hanged. Definitely your person stuck right now. They are thinking about you a lot. For some your person is spiritually awakening. Chariot. Your person could be Cancer also. Yes, they want to take this relationship to next level, because they see you like a star. the star card. Definitely they are still hoping for this connection. They are still hoping that you will give second chance to them. Yeah. Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Now they are ready to express their feelings. In past, your person may be stubborn. Now Pentacles are in line up. Definitely now they want to express their feelings to you. Taurus. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please supporting my channel. So thank you so much guys. Bye.